Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as the owner of a Google partner company. So today, let's get started on the question I have today. And the question is, what industries on Google Ads are super hard to be profitable at? But before I answer this question, I want you guys to introduce ourselves in case if you need Google Ads audit, setup, management, or services, landing page services, web development, landing page funnel, Facebook ads, Bing ads, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to hire us through the link in the description, and we look forward to working with you. So now let's move on to the question: what industries on Google Ads super hard to be profitable at? Okay, so there are two answers. First of all, any industry, any industry can be super hard on Google if you haven't optimized, if you haven't set up properly or done optimization. Believe me, any niche can be super hard in case if you are not doing basic things. For instance, there are few things which I like to number one, landing page, your offer, campaign, and ad group structures, analytical tracking, optimization, bidding strategy, competitor research, ad copies. Okay, these are the few of the things where again it can vary according to niche and area to area. But I'm just giving you a few guidelines which you need to figure out. You need to have an extremely attractive landing page. Your offer should be better than your competitors. Campaigns and ad groups should be properly optimized. In case if you know the theory of how Google Ads works, you need to understand that the Google Ads works with a quality score concept. And to optimize the quality score concept, you need to have a highly effective ad group structure based on the Google Ads guidelines, where relevancy is the king. So I'm also mentioning over here that the relevancy should be the king over here as well. You need to understand, you cannot do it, so you need to understand over here. Analytical tracking means you need to track whatever you are doing, and in case if you're not working on your analytics and tracking, you are actually wasting all of your strategies. So my highly recommendation over here is to optimize according to your tracking strategies. You need to have a highly effective observations on how people are interacting with your website, what area is gathering more attention on your website, how they are working, are they going to add to cart, are they converting, or whatever your goal is, like lead submission, book download, or whatever your goal is. How many leads are being done, which keywords, areas, location, time zone are working well for you. You need to understand which keyword, location, targets, area can we understand. Optimization needs to be required, bidding strategy, competitive research, ad copies, all of these things. Even ad copy optimization, all of the stuff needs working on. But in case if you ask me generally on what niche are actually super hard to profitable, in case if you follow all of the best practices and you can create campaigns like this, even then I believe that web hosting is a very competitive niche. I have seen it's a lot of competition over here. Television, internet providers. Again, it varies from country to country. But in some countries, I have seen that the internet providers have a lot demand. Then the financial niche, banking, investment, loans. These are very high end niche, and you need a lot of working in optimizing it. Even some credit cards also need some optimization. So I believe that anything which has money involved also very competitive and very hard to optimize. But again, it all varies from area to area. Some people can be lucky with less competition, some has a very good working offer. So I mean, there are so many factors to decide on, that you cannot even single pinpoint a specific niche which is very hard to profitable. But I just gave you good ideas, so I hope you like this your ideas. But in case if you want us to do a detailed thorough working on the Google Ads audit setup or management, you can hire me and my team for the link in the description, and we look forward working with you. So yeah, once again, thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel as well. Take care, bye bye.